Welcome back to Iconoclastic. Got a quick video for tonight. Changing the headlights on my mom's 2002 Toyota Camry. Here's how to do it. So we're gonna zoom in down in here. Here's this thingamajig. See, it plugs into the thing right there. Gonna turn that to the side presently. Gently. There we go. So you see it's like turned about 45 degrees. Now, should gently wiggling it, should pull out. Caca. Just like that. Alright, so now this is blown. You just take that out, totally. So there's the plug. Unplug that and then turn the bulb sideways and pull it out. Here's the newbies. Alright, when you're putting in new bulbs, you have to be very careful not to touch the bulb, because you'll get your hand oil and greasy fingers. Get the oil, even if your hands are clean, you get oils, the natural oils from your hands onto the glass. The glass gets super hot and it'll cause it to shatter. So I'm gonna pop out here and open the box up, open the package. Okay, I got my Johnny out, holding it by the plastic, being very careful. You can plug it in to the reddish plug if you want to, and then put it in. I am gonna put it in place and then plug it in. So being very careful, making sure not to touch any other dirtiness in the engine bay. This engine bay is really clean, so you don't have to really worry about that. But still, just try to, just be gentle. Fit it into the hole. Is it lined up? Yep, it's lined up. You can see these little focus. See those little notches? Fits in the notches, and then you push in and turn. There we go. And now you just gotta plug it in. So that's the process, basically. Different cars will be little slight differences, but that's the basic gist of it. And you should be able to figure out if you're like a Nissan or a Honda or a Chevy or a Ford. It should be very similar to that process. Hope that helps. Okay, so one thing you want to make sure is that the bulb is indeed broken, and the cord, it's not that just the cord is sort of unplugged from the light bulb, because sometimes that can happen from the vibrations of the car. The cord can work its way out of the light bulb, and the light bulb is fine, and just the cord comes out. So that happens, and your bulb is fine. So if your headlights ever go out, just try to jiggle the cord, the plug, and that might be all it is. And you're good. Just like that. It's that easy. And I'm out. Have a good night.